Alright guys, so I'm going to open up this Stream Deck USB hub, the Stream Deck Plus. Nice wrapping. So there must be some sort of adhesion to it. So you got two USB 3.1s, two USB-Cs. Looks like these are 4.5 watts for each of these USBs, 3.1s, and then USB-Cs, both are 7.5 watts. You have a 65 watt uplink, power delivery, sorry. So that's pretty cool. So this is my Stream Deck Plus that was in the garage, but I've come to like it a little bit more in the house while doing stuff. So it's a little dusty. So apparently this is supposed to stick onto here. Looks like I have to remove. To then put this in so it plugs in so it fits nice and tight in there. Then I have a USB-C to USB-C cable. Oh, what I liked about this too was it also has micro and regular SD card slots. So I can just throw it on there and get everything out of it. And this little extra for my computer. Let's go plug it in. I got it back up. I just need to get a 100-watt power display port to get this thing actually fully operational, but I'm going to test out the SD card right now. So in the end, this is actually pretty cool. This is one of two things that I'm doing with this. I plugged in my GoPro, my micro SD card to it, and it transferred everything pretty quickly. I think it took a couple minutes. I didn't use the 100-watt power delivery. I plugged it into the back of my USB-C of my computer, then plugged my external hard drive into that dock along with it, so it went a lot quicker. I want to say it was averaging about 40 megabytes a second. Yeah, but it went pretty quickly, and I had to make this video at the very end because I forgot to show you it at the end. So there's that. Oh, black wall behind me. So if you've been following my videos, this is new. All right, guys. Thanks again. Stay tuned.